Hi, it's Kate from Landingi, and today I'll show you how to add a custom code to your landing page. Here we go! To add a JavaScript code on a landing page, go to the dashboard, click Add Script button and give it a name. Giving a name for a specific piece of code comes handy when you have to deal with multiple codes on one landing page. Paste your code, choose on which page it should be applied, and finally click Add. With JavaScript codes, you can add, for example, additional tracking tools like Google Tag Manager, Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, or heat maps. Both codes for CSS and HTML can be added in the editor. Additional CSS can be added in Page Settings tab by clicking on the button Custom CSS. An HTML widget is available on the left-hand side in the editor. All you need to do is drag and drop the widget and double-click it to paste the code. Elements added by the HTML will be visible on the landing page after publishing. Thanks for watching, and in case you need any help, feel free to reach our team.